Good morning, students. I hope you have completed this question answers as revision test, civics lesson number 1 and 2. So just check. I'm giving the answers for this. Mention three essential features of democracy. Now, which are the three essential features of democracy? Harshita, you know the answer. Three essential features of democracy.
The three essential features of democracy can be listed as follows. First, democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the people on the principle of one person, one vote. Second, democracy must be based on free and fair elections, where those who are currently in power have a fair chance of losing. Voters should have a choice of candidates. Third, in a democracy, the final decision making power must rest with those elected by the people.
Yes, good. All the 3 points are clear. Very good. Now, how does democracy enhance the dignity of the citizens? Enhance the dignity. Dignity means the respect for the citizens. Yes.
Yes. Democracy is based on the principle of equality, where every citizen, irrespective of his or her caste or class, has the right to vote. People, whether educated or not, elect their own representatives. This makes the people rulers themselves. This enhances the dignity of citizens.
Good. Yes. Very correct. Next question. Describe the arguments against democracy. Now, few arguments have been given against democracy. You have to describe those
Ma'am, I
arguments.
have written three only.
Okay. Okay. No problem. How many you have written? You can write. Speak out that.
Okay, ma'am. The arguments against democracy are: first, leaders keep changing in a democracy. Second, democracy is all about political competition and power play. There is no scope for morality. Third, so many people have to be constituted in a democracy that it leads to delays.
Yes. So many people have to be consulted for any
Yes, ma'am.
particular decision. So many people. Yes, good. So three you have written. Very good. Now, fourth, you can write down about that elected leaders do not know the best interest of the people, and it leads to the bad decision also sometimes. Then
Okay,
fifth, you
ma'am.
can write down that ordinary people don't know what is good for them, and they should not decide anything. This can be given as a another point. Then democracy also
Okay,
leads to
ma'am.
corruption. Okay, so how
Okay,
is
ma'am.
corruption? Because it is based on electoral politics or competitions. Then write a
Yes, ma'am.
short. Then this is from the second lesson, uh, constitutional design. Write a short note on drafting committee.
The drafting committee was established to prepare a drafting constitution. B.R. Ambedkar up a drafting committee on 29th of August 1947. The Constituent Assembly took 2 years, 11 months, and 17 days to frame the constitution. It spent upon 6.4 crore rupees in the preparation.
Yes, good. Then next about what is the philosophy of Indian Constitution? Philosophy of Indian Constitution.
Ma'am, this I don't know.
Okay, I'll give you the philosophy of Indian Constitution. That is the basic values including the
Okay,
preamble.
ma'am.
The Constitution first preamble provides the standard to examine and evaluate any law or action of the government. That is, through this Indian Constitution only, we have been given right to evaluate any law which is passed in the Parliament, and it is the soul of the preamble is only the soul of the Constitution. Then preamble also mentions the people as the sources of the constitution. Then India is a sovereign, socialist, and secular democratic republic and provides justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. That is the main philosophy. We can say that basic values that is imparted in the preamble to the constitution. Next, why
Okay, ma'am.
constitution? Why do we
A
need?
constitution is necessary because of the following reasons. It is an important law of the land. It determines the relationship of the citizens with the governments. It lays down principles and guidelines which are required for people belonging to different ethnic and religious groups to live in harmony.
Yes, that's all. Now, in our next class, we are going to discuss about economics. Now we have
Yes,
completed
ma'am.
geography and civic course. Now economics is remaining. So economics one, two, and three lessons.
Okay.
Three lessons are there. Three of them we are going to discuss. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
As whenever we are.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.